Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add an Instagram post to your Instagram story. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app, and to share a post to your story, just search for the post that you want to share. And once you find this post, under the photo or the video, there will be a paper airplane icon, and then just click on that and select Add to Story. So from here, you can just customize your story. You can edit how you want the post to show in your story by clicking at the post itself. So you have these options. You may also change the background color by clicking on the three dots and then tapping draw and then choosing the color of your preference. And just long press the background of the post. You may also choose stickers, add texts, add music, and once you're satisfied, just click the arrow icon and then share your story to your friends. And that's it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!